Here we have a Northernaire oscillating fan. This is the 16-inch variety. Three speeds. Pretty good looking fan, a little plain but decent styling. The thing I like about this is it's got a huge base. The base is pretty massive. It's about 10 inches across, which most fan bases like this are about 8 inches usually. So it's got a good solid platform there. Plastic looks pretty good. This is the model 2916. Draws 0.7 amps. Northern Electric Company, division of Sunbeam, made in Korea. The only issue with this fan is that it does have one broken blade. You can see right there, it broke all the way across from the hub out to the edge, but the glue seems to be holding it together pretty well. It hasn't broke yet. Here's the plug. It's got a black cord and plug, obviously, non-polarized. I think this is probably from the very early 80s, 1980 to 82, somewhere in there. The other fan that I have like this is a 12-inch Northernaire, and that one is the quietest fan that I have, 12-inch anyway, on the low speed according to the decibel meter. I don't remember what the reading was, but I made a video at one time taking decibel readings on what I thought were the quietest 12-inch fans in the collection, and the Northernaire ended up being the quietest one out of the bunch. And I think that this one is comparable with the 16-inch fans in that it's very quiet, easily quieter than the Lasco Galaxy 16-inch fans anyway. It just doesn't have the motor noise. It has a little bit of a hum, but it's very quiet for a 16-inch fan. So we'll start it on low. Turn the oscillation off. Give it a minute to get going. It does pick up a little bit of speed. But it's very quiet. Very mellow. I'll take a feet per minute velocity reading. So we're in the 500s, which is good. High 400s, low. Low 500s. So that's pretty good. That's what I like to see on the low speed. There's a little bit of a motor hum, but you really can't hear much of anything unless you get close to the fan. very quiet. So we'll go to the medium. It's going pretty good on the medium speed. Pretty good jump from low to medium. That's what I like about this fan also, is that it has a very good speed variation. So in the 900s, pretty strong medium speed. Let's go to high. Over 1,200 feet per minute, so that's pretty strong. I don't think the velocity is quite as strong as, say, the Lasco Galaxy fans of the same time period, the 16-inch ones. It's really strong nonetheless. Run the oscillation. I think these are pretty comparable with the Lasco fans, quality-wise. I think I would put these a step above the Taiwanese fans, say the Kuo Horns and such. I would put these a step above that, probably right around the same quality as the Lasco Galaxy fans, maybe a little bit below, but strong motors, solid motors, good quality acrylic blades. I like the blade shape on this one too. It's really cool. It's a lot like the old Panasonic 16-inch blades. This has the particle board bottom too with the wiring diagram, so that's pretty neat. Alright, I think it has a pretty cool startup sound too on the high speed. Check that out. It also has the auto tilt, which works well enough. Let's do the high speed startup. I always like to do the high speed startup on table fans. Here we go. We'll do the low speed as well. Get a little closer for this one. Here's low. Yeah, not as much of a startup sound on the low. We'll go to high now.